We are back and welcome again to the Nivro platform. Today I will show you how to work on and create pillar articles. Okay, pillar articles or stick articles. Pillar articles are useful, for example, if you have many articles talking about the same thing. For example, they talk about different recipes. 15 recipes for, let's say, banana bread. Okay? So you want to gather all those articles into one single article. This way you create pins or a Facebook post for it. Pins for a single pin, meaning you gather all of these for Pinterest, for example, or for Facebook. For example, let's go to Pinterest. And here we see these examples. For instance, I'll just stop this, and this will be green, like this. As we can see here, 23, easy, calorie, etc., etc. Posts like these are what we call listicles, or sticks, or pillar articles. Okay? They help us a lot in ranking on social media or even in SEO. Alright, let's go back to the platform, the Nivro platform, and come to the articles. Let's assume that all these articles, for example, are all talking about different ways to make, recipes for banana bread, because I created them differently, so I told you to assume with me. So we will select all of them and come to this blue button here and click on Generate Pillar Article. So we click on the Nivro icon to generate a suitable title using the AI agent. There it is, it gave us this. If you don't like it, you can click again and it'll generate another one until, you find something you like. Okay? The site where you want to publish this pillar article. The author. Do you want the status to be published or a draft? Public or draft? Publish or draft? I set it to publish. And here is the text you want to be written on the button. Okay? The button to click for each article within the main pillar article. So by default, you'll find it says read full article. But you can write, for example, anything you want that expresses what you're looking for. See recipe, for example. And click on Generate Pillar Article. We just wait a little bit. It won't take long. It creates this thing very, very, very quickly. There, it's finished. We're talking and it has already finished it. Okay. We come here, this is our article. We'll visit the pillar article and find it in this format. You see this title and so on. It starts with the first article with a small description for it, along with a button to click. And the button always matches the primary color of your blog, as we see here. Okay? So here, as we scroll down, we find that it has gathered everything into one article. This is what is called a pillar article. Okay? We go back to the platform. Nice. Now, we can also create a pin for it, like these pins, on Pinterest, like this. You design the layout you want in the Nivro Studio. For example, I designed this layout like this. It has 4 images, the first and the second, and I separated them with, a white gap like this. Anyway, this is how I designed the one I'm going to use. It has 4 images, as you can see. 3, 1, 2, 4, plus just the title. These are the 4 variables that change. We go back to the pillar article. We click on pillar article. You can either generate a Facebook post or generate pins. We're going to generate a pin for this pillar article. We click like this. We select the template. Here, it gives you an option asking if you want to use the images already in the articles or if you want to generate new images. I'm going to use the existing images and won't let it generate new ones. The existing ones are enough. Generate PAMs. Like this, and we wait. Do a final check, as I taught you in the first lessons. If you don't like the title or anything else, change it. For example, I'm going to change the title manually. Last time, we changed it using the Generate feature. Here, we change it manually like this. Okay, and click on Finalize, like this. Wait, and the pin for this pillar article will be created. There it is. It has been created with its article and everything. You can download it as a CSV or publish it directly from the Nivro platform. That was our lesson for the day.